Hi guys, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida, standing in front of a new listing. This is a 2022 Invincible 46-foot catamaran, conveniently located right here on the MarineMax property in Stuart, Florida. Would love for you guys to come by, take a look and see this boat in person. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of this boat today. First and foremost, for those that are not familiar, this is the ultimate fishing vessel out there at 46 feet long. This boat's going to be perfect for those guys over on the Gulf Coast making far runs offshore, or those crossings over to the Bahamas, tuna fishing, sword fishing. At 46 feet long, catamaran hull, this boat's going to offer an incredible ride, a whole lot of stability for drift fishing. We have a stepped hull design for incredible performance and fuel efficiency, all backed by the horsepower here on the back. We have quad 450 Mercuries. So this engine package will push this boat close to around 70 miles per hour, cruising speeds between 40 and 50, and with the 1,000-gallon fuel capacity, you'll have a range of around 600 miles. So again, perfect for those long offshore days, crossings over to the Bahamas. So let's hop on board. We'll do a quick walkthrough and show you a couple more of the features. So before you guys hop on, I want to show you the 2 points of entry into the boat. So first and foremost, we have the beautiful port side dive door, and we do have a built-in ladder that will extend. So this is perfect for those days you're anchored up at a beautiful beach in the Bahamas. You have a very safe access on and off the boat, keeps you away from the engines. But if you guys are diving or spearfishing over in the islands, you do have a more convenient boarding option. So right here in between the two engines, we have again a built-in drop-down ladder, very safe. Get up onto the boat, and then we have some steps that lead you into the cockpit. So let's hop on board and we will continue our walkthrough. So standing here in the cockpit of the 46 Invincible, first thing that stands out to me is space. Huge cockpit for fishing, whether you may be trolling, folding out the outriggers, bottom fishing, deep dropping. This boat will do it all. Here along the transom, for you guys that like to go kite fishing and carry a ton of live bait, we have two massive live wells here in the back of the boat. They are separate, so if you're carrying two different types of bait, you can split it up. And then off to port and starboard side, we have two nice little day coolers. So if you're going out deep dropping for a couple hours, great spot to store a little bit of bait. Next thing that stands out to me is storage. So in this vessel, we have storage up and down port and starboard side. We have 4 along each side, so these can be used as dry storage or fish box storages. I will open one of them just to show you the amount of space that we have in here. So this goes down quite a few feet. So again, these are insulated. Throw a bunch of ice, fish in here, or if you need extra dry storage, it can be used for that as well. We have a nice aft-facing mez seat. This does lift up, and we do have a nice insulated cooler here for your drinks. As we work our way forward, you'll see these are the tower legs that will lead you up to the second station. We'll go up there a little later. You do have full controls up there, Garmin GPS, everything you need to operate the boat. You'll see an oversized hardtop for shade, all protecting your dual row seating. So we have 2 rows of 3, 6 total. As we make our way up here to your helm station, we have a beautiful setup, great visibility as you look forward, and a state-of-the-art electronics package. So we have 2 24-inch Garmin MFDs. Right here in the center, we have our Mercury vessel view for all of our engine data. And then for extra reliability, we have 2 ICOM VHF components there. Garmin autopilot built in, Mercury digital throttle, and then we do have Optimus joystick for ease of maneuverability and docking. You can see here the sight line is beautiful. If you want to bring the camera this way, you can. We have a beautiful visibility out near the bow of the boat, tempered glass windshield, and then this boat does also have isinglass wings that will extend off the side for those rough and windy days. So let's continue our way forward. Again, you'll have rod holders all the way up to the bow. This boat was fitted with 6 electric reel outlets, so if you're going deep dropping, we have the outlets scattered throughout the boat. Again, pointing out storage, this storage box is about the same size as the first one I showed you. So we just have a real ample amount of fish box storage and dry storage. You know, again, for a fishing boat, this boat does have quite a bit of comfort between the 6 seats underneath the hardtop, this beautiful chase lounge up in front of the console. This is insulated as well, so this is a great area to store your drinks, put a bunch of food in here for your long trips. And notice there's dividers in here so you can break it up however you desire. Again, all about the space. So we have a massive bow for fishing, and then bring you up here to the bow of the boat. We have a windlass anchor. And then storage off to port and starboard side. This is a great area to put fenders and dock lines. Great finish on the Invincible. You can see they have a nice A-side finish on the underside of the hatch. We will head up to the tower. So as we stand up here on the tower, you have a beautiful setup. So we have a nice buggy top for shade, seating for 2 to 3 here in this area, and then as I mentioned, full controls. So you have our wheel, our throttles, engine start stop switches, and then another Garmin display. So this is a 12-inch MFD, so chart plotting, sonar, radar, this will do it all. You'll see we have our 2 VHF antennas mounted off to each side, and then beautiful Gemlux outriggers, carbon fiber. As you look behind you, we do have a 4-foot open array radar. And then just forward of that, we do have a light bar for nighttime navigation. So again, this is Brian McLennan, MarineMax and Stuart, standing aboard the 2022 46 Invincible, currently located on our Stuart property. Very convenient for you guys to see. Please give us a call if you'd like to learn a little bit more or see this boat in person. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll talk to you soon.